Good evening, everyone. What's up? Just ate a satisfying meal and topped it off with a measly dessert. This is Mr. Hotta speaking. Previously, there was a review on the rambutan syrup, which are canned. Today's is the 195th review, and today's review is on Nature Valley Crunchy Roasted Almond Granola Bars. Here is one of the Nature Valley bars. These are available at Sam's Club with the pecan and the peanut butter flavored granola bars. So these are 1.5 ounces for 2 grams, 190 calories per 2 bars. So that means there is 95 calories a bar. So these are calorie rich. Ingredients are right here if anyone wants to see them. So they're whole grain oats, sugar, canola oil, almond pieces, brown sugar, syrup, yellow corn flour, soy lecithin, salt, soy flour, baking soda, natural flavor, contains almond and soy. There are 70 calories from fat, 8 grams of fat, 12%, 1 gram of saturated fat, 4%, 170 milligrams of sodium, 7%, 28 grams of carbs, 9%, 2 grams of dietary fiber, 8%, 11 grams of sugar, 4 grams of protein, 2% calcium, 4% iron. Let's open these boys up, shall we? They have a nice pleasant smell. They smell like almond. They smell like granola, except with almond flavor in it. It has a teensy bit of an almond extract flavor, but it's actually real almonds. So let's take a look at these. So here's what these look like. These almost look like either the honey oat or the peanut butter ones, but they taste different and these are very good. So let's give these a try, shall we? Nice almond flavor. They're crispy and crunchy. Overall, this gets a 10 out of 10. That's all there is to say for this review. See you on 196 review. That's all there is to say. Look at the time. Got to go to bed. See you on the next review. With that, so good night.